Hi guys, it is X. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So today is Pumpkin Patch Day and I'm so excited. If you're wondering why my eyes look crazy, it's because I have tape. So I am going to be going to the pumpkin patch with my fiance today, and I can already tell it might be a little miserable because the winds outside are blowing insanely. But anyway, I was thinking I was going to do another tutorial on the Bloodlust palette, but this time I'm very intrigued by Executioner because it is a black, I don't know if you can see, but it has like a shimmer, like a purple shimmer in it. So I was thinking of using that. And I wanted to wear my beautiful witch hat today, but I think it's gonna blow away with the wind. But anyway, without further ado, before you swipe me away or click me out of this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with Your Majesty and just kind of put that all over my lid. And I'm using this brush from Crown. Not really sure what type of brush it is. I did get it in a BoxyCharm box a few years ago, so I'm not sure how much it is or whether it is still available. So what has everybody been doing so far? Is anyone doing anything for Halloween? I'm kind of really sad. I scheduled myself on Halloween to work and I work nights, and I'm very sad because I don't get off until 7:30 in the morning and I start at 7 p.m. on Halloween night, and I freaking scheduled myself at night. Sorry, my eyes tearing. And it's freaking daylight savings time, so I have to stay at work for 13 and a half hours, and I'm not excited about it. I start to lose my mind around like 9:30 in the morning. If I'm not asleep by then, I just feel so woozy and dizzy, and I don't know. I don't feel really good. I forgot to tell you, I got Deviant. Oh my god, did I say Deviant last time? That might be a high probability. So I'm just kind of deepening my eye socket or my crease, whatever you guys want to call it, with Deviant. And I don't know, I really want to do like a smoky eye look, but we'll see how that transpires. Okay, so I think now I'm going to put what should we do? Should we do a dark look? I think I'm gonna go with Blood Queen and put that all over my lid. I'm not gonna wear face makeup today because I have to wear a mask, and last time I went to downtown LA to buy a second wedding dress, wearing that mask with a full face of makeup was no fun. Thankfully, I had makeup wipes in my bag, so I was able to take it off because it was miserably hot. Okay, I really don't know what this look is gonna turn out to be like. Probably should start working on the lower lash line. All right, I suck at doing my lower lash line, so I am going to get this brush. I don't even know the name brand of it, but it's a tip like that. And I'm just going to dab it into Blood Queen and then just start stamping my lower eyelid. Lash line. Can anyone do makeup like without opening their mouth? Like, I struggle. I don't think you can see what I'm doing. There I go again. Okay, I quickly just stamped the bottom, and I kind of look like I feel like I have black eyes. So now I'm gonna go in with this brush from Estetica, and it is an angled brush, and I'm going to go in with Executioner and just start kind of winging out that line. Oh God, I'm so horrible at this. I don't know, this might be a catastrophe. I don't even know where to begin. Like, do I start this way or this way? I just can't help but not pull back on my eyelid. Okay, I know it looks like crap right now, but I swear we will clean this up. Now I'm just kind of adding that to the bottom lash. I'm a little disappointed because yes, I can see the purple like glitter, but it's not as like prominent or pronounced as I thought it was gonna be. That's okay. Uh-oh. I wet my freaking eye. And I just dragged this higher on that side than I wanted to. You guys, I swear my eyes are like two different ways. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of Blood Queen up here. All right, I'm getting a makeup wipe and just cleaning up all the fallout. I feel like they came out pretty even, considering the fact that I can't do wing eyeliner for anything. Like, it wasn't liner, but you know what I mean? Like, I just always, the angles are always off. They're always different. Like, it is seriously a struggle. I watched a YouTube tutorial from, what is her name? Jaclyn Hill. And I was so excited. It was this smoky eye tutorial, and I thought it was just gonna look so amazing. It seemed like a very easy tutorial, and I suck. Like, that is just it. Like, I absolutely suck at wing liner. I'm almost tempted to put a little bit of Vile Serpent in the inner corner, but I'm gonna see. Let me go. Maybe I'll put the Frost that we got. Okay. I'm gonna put maybe a little bit of the Extreme Frost in my inner corner if it works. I don't want to ruin it. My makeup brushes are so dirty. You guys, I still can't get over the luminescence of this thing. You know what I kind of like about mystery boxes and like why I like to order like BoxyCharm and stuff is because there's things in there that I would never try. And if you saw my BoxyCharm unboxing for October, there was a hyaluronic acid serum that I said I did not buy of Kylie's because I had just bought like the whole clarifying collection. I don't think you can see this too much on camera, but it is so pretty. Ooh, ooh. Okay, it looks much better in person, but and so I almost gave away that hyaluronic acid serum, and it was so amazing. Like, I actually really, really liked it, and now I'm like glad I didn't give it away. I really, sorry, I'm like very sparkly. I really like this. I can tell that I'm messing up my Extreme Frost here because the purple is kind of cross covering, but that's okay. Ooh, gorgeous. I really like this purple iridescent look. Maybe I'll drag it out a few more inches up. Okay, I gotta get a moving. this is what it looks like so far. I am gonna use these soft focus drops. They said you can use this as a primer. Like I said, I'm not planning on wearing face makeup today, but I kind of want to add some of this highlight. And I feel like if I wear highlight without putting primer on, that it will always like make me break out. I think this look would look so much better if I actually did the rest of my makeup, but I don't want to do that today. Okay, now for the part where I ruin my makeup because I'm gonna attempt to put liner on. And I already have an outline with the eyeshadow, but for some reason, I always mess things up. Okay, I only need enough for the Glamnetic lashes, so I think even though it didn't fully cover it, that will be okay. There I go again. You guys can't see me. I'm horrible. Worst YouTuber ever. Sorry. I'll probably just cut that out. Alrighty, I am going to be wearing Verified today. I don't remember if I wore Verified in my last video or if it was VIP, but I'm kind of sad because I really wanted one of those, to repurchase one of those, but I can't remember now which one. I like these lashes because they're pretty full and kind of angled. Let's make sure that's on there. Does anyone else feel like they don't have to wear makeup, but if they have their eyelashes on, like it just instantly makes you feel like a lot prettier? If only I had the patience to actually put these on every day. Okay, just for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna wear this out. Okay, lipstick is on. That would not come off my teeth at all. Like, it was really a struggle to take it off my teeth. I can tell you from trying 714, and I was so in love with the color, but very disappointed with the formula. I think it was in 2017. This is so much better. I am actually really happy with the outcome. It was just so easy to apply. It didn't, I don't know, for some reason the 714, whenever like I put it on, it was very patchy and just not opaque, and I'd put layers and layers and I just did not get the color payoff. And this was just so much easier to apply than that year before. And so before I cut to the pumpkin patch aspect of this video, I kind of wanted to do a small business shout out. You know, everybody right now, with the pandemic going on, I think it's really important to kind of shout out other small businesses. And I was talking to my hairstylist recently about having multiple sources of income and how it has not been something that people mainly think about until this pandemic hit. And it just made me sad for all the people who lost their jobs, who were very dedicated to their jobs, and like, it just makes you realize how like easily disposable you are to some companies, and it was just kind of sad. So I was telling her that, you know, YouTube eventually, hopefully, if I get there, will be a second source of income for me. And thankfully I have a job where I will always have a job. for some nurses, because there was a lot of nurses who did lose their jobs, unfortunately. However, she just made it very clear to me that she has, you know, a serving job, she's a hairstylist, and then she started making her own candles. And I was very excited because I was telling her, she brought them to me in this little bag. I was telling her how I always go to Home Goods, and I don't know brands of candles or anything like that. I just kind of go there and pick something out, whatever smells good to me. And so she brought me these candles. I'm not sure which one is her new logo, because she did tell me that she got a different logo. I really like this logo, but I see there's this one, so I'm not sure exactly what the logo is, but her company is Enlightened Wicks Candle Company. And so I'm going to link her Instagram down below, because I don't think she has her Etsy set up yet, or her business website, but they smell so good. This is cinnamon chai. I think I got 2 cinnamon chais. No, I'm not sure exactly which one this is, because this one does not have a name on it. And then I got pumpkin pie. And so they're $14 each. They're 10 ounces. And that's about what I usually pay at Home Goods, is like between $9.99 to like $14.99 for a candle. And these are hand poured. And I was gonna wait. She gave me a little sample one. I will show you. Okay, it's kind of lit right now, but this one is so cute. And she gave me this little sample one, and I was waiting to record this video before I lit them, because I wanted to test them out. But I was like, how am I going to test them out and then like have half burnt candles in the video? I don't know. But I was studying yesterday, and the bag was like next to my study books, and I just could not stop smelling the amazing scent of the candles. And I was like, I have to try this like now, because it just smells so good. So check her out down below. I don't think she's shipping outside of California right now, so we'll see. You can hit her up.
About to eat your hat. No, sweetheart. Okay. Damn it.
We'll go get it before.
Hold on. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know. Thank you for licking it.
Sorry, Moo. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah. Oh, bless you. I'm sorry.